Welcome back to the channel. My name is Crystal. I am the owner and creator here at Pink Elf, and today we are going to be making Pastel Drizzle soap. As you can see, I have 4 batches of oils already melted here. We're going to set 3 of these off to the side and start with the first one. Before we get started, let me go ahead and show you the colorants that we'll be using today. So we have neon yellow, neon green, neon pink, and neon purple, all by Nurture Soap. And the fragrance oil we'll be using today is Pink Salt and Citron by Crafter's Choice. To start off, we are going to give this first batch of oils a quick buzz just to mix in the kaolin clay that's probably settled down to the bottom. And now we're ready to pour in our lye water solution. And we'll go ahead and mix that up. The first layer is going to be the neon yellow, so we'll go ahead and get that poured in. And then I do want this to be a little more pastel, so I'm going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide in here as well, just to lighten up the yellow. We'll mix that up and see what that looks like. And now we are ready to pour in our fragrance oil. And I'm going to mix this in by hand. And now we're ready to pour this into our mold. Okay, we're going to let this bottom layer thicken up a little bit, and then we'll come back and mix up the next layer. Okay, our first layer is set up, so we are going to repeat the same process with the other 3 layers. Okay, now that all 4 layers have been poured, we are going to let this sit for 24 hours. We'll come back tomorrow for the cut and put the final decorations on. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are back the next day. We have our soap already unmolded here, so let's cut into this and see what we have. it's time to blend up our piping. As usual, we're going to blend this up first to incorporate our kaolin clay, and then we'll add in our light water solution. Now we're going to split this into 2 batches. One of the batches I'm going to color white using titanium dioxide, and the other batch I'm going to color this really pretty teal color, and this is Synergy from Nurture Soap. We've set our teal off to the side, so we're just going to work with the white for right now. I have this little container here that you usually put ketchup or mustard in, and I'm going to pour my white into this container. Now that we have this full, we are going to drizzle it in the front, and hopefully it makes those little drizzles like they have on the cakes in those Instagram videos. I went ahead and added our piping to our bag. So I'm going to do a swirl piping. And then I have some Dead Sea salt that I covered in the neon purple mica from yesterday, and I'm going to sprinkle those on the top. Here is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye.